Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on time on the half hour. This video follows on from the last video where we have some questions and the answers for any particular slide are on the following slide. So for this slide here, for the following digital clocks, write down the time shown on the screen. So you can pause this slide for as long as you want and just write down those four answers on a sheet of paper, and in a few seconds I'll just go on to the answers on the next slide. So here are the answers for the previous slide. So we have 3:30 or 3:30, 1:30 or 1:30, 8:30 or 8:30, and 4:30 or 4:30. So either of those answers are acceptable. Now we'll go on to the next slide for some more exercises. For the following analog clocks, write down the time shown on the screen. Exactly the same thing. Pause for as long as you like, write down the four answers on a sheet of paper, and the answers are on the next slide. So here are the answers coming up now. So we have 7:30 or 7:30, 10:30 or 10:30, 2:30 or 2:30, and 5:30 or 5:30. Now we go on to the final slide. Connect the same digital and analog times by using straight lines. So have a look at the times here and have a look at those times there, and connect the digital and analog times that are the same by using straight lines. So I'll give you a little while to look at that and then we'll go to the answers. And here we go for the answers. So this one here is 6:30, I've linked those two. That one there is 9:30, this one here is 11:30, and this one here is 2:30. So this video has just given you a little bit of practice on telling the time on the half hour using both digital and analog clocks.